and I'm going to guide you today. Install the Magic Gel software first. Turn off the software. Turn off the virus removal software. Then you go to the folder. Install the software. How you run the setup file. You're right, guys. Good, right mouse here, you choose the language. You choose focus. Then you can click on the iPad. So here you choose. Here you go to the default selection. Then, check the box. You check Dad, select this box and you choose stroke. Now you've installed it and you're in the folder. Crush. You go into this folder. Open up to you. Select the 2 files in it. This folder, hot copy again. That's it. Get out of the laptop. Right click on the geometry size X icon. You right mouse, guys. Paste the word, the 2 files you just copied. Guys, paste it here. Why did he copy it here? Then you open this file up here to crush it. You open this file. Here you enter the password. I put the password in this folder. You open it, open it, open it. Copy ha. It's on YouTube. Please allow me to share again for being a YouTuber violator, so I don't have it. I didn't reveal it to anyone who needs it. Then it's possible. In my inbox, you have to choose again. And then it worked, hold on. Then you guys turn it off. Go to your laptop and open the icon. The real Magic Design. You guys open it. The grass has been installed. Mill it. That's when you guys open the software and it will appear. You will enter them. This is the place, guys. You choose the milli system and you choose. The mouse control is left flag BABA injection, or the number of liters of intestines. Then I gave you a little guidance. Software A Game Magic Station CX finished. This is a Facebook page. Guys, follow me. I'll make a video.